Good afternoon, traders. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha, wishing you from the land of the rising sun. Today is Saturday, the 16th day of June 2024. I'm going to bring you the weekly analysis based on advanced method of Elliott Wave analysis. I do this every week. If you want to see my results, that is, if you are new to my channel, check my previous analysis and check how they performed in the market. So secondly, I'd like you to share this video, make a comment. That's what you can do for me. Recommend my video to those who are struggling to find their foot in trading. You will be doing them a good deal and also doing me a favor because I want my video to go viral. Secondly, I'm a mentor. If you want to learn from me, I teach you. You know somebody who is struggling, looking for somebody to teach him technical analysis, give him my video. My phone number is on the bio of this video. The number is on WhatsApp and Telegram. Contact me. I also have 2 Telegram channels. They are free. The links are below. You click and join for free. I share many charts from day to day, from week to week. Freely, people are making hundreds of pips, thousands of dollars from my free channel. Then if you want to learn from me, you contact me, you pay the 2 money and you join my students. That is the VIP and the student channel. Thank you. Let's dive into the business. Okay. DXY is where we always start. DXY, remember, for weeks, I said that there is another possibility we may get to this place, but maybe not now. Maybe you may go to this place before going down. So I'm saying it again a second time. So let's go to 4 hours. 4 hours. What you have at hand is simple. Simple. This is a clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with A. Then this is A, B, C with W, A, B, C with X, A, B, C with Y. So this is clear A, B, C. So I don't have a doubt if we are going down. Anything can happen in the market. That's why we use stop loss. So if I'm wrong, it means that when the market keeps going up, come here, my stop loss will hit. But I think this thing gonna happen. Meanwhile, there is a setup, buy setup. That the market is at the reversal zone doesn't mean it must reverse. So that's one of the things you need to look for a teacher so that you will be able to know, now I have my setup, or now I have my buy setup. If not, you are trading blindly and not encouraged. Okay. USD card, similar situation. I'm looking for it to do this. You can see another WX. So with Y is what I'm looking for. Meanwhile, I've entered the trade because I have seen setup. If you don't know what setup is, you consider entering at the break of this place. Okay. So, but if you know what setup is, you would have entered by now. Meanwhile, there's no guarantee it must happen. As I said, if I am wrong, it means my stop loss will hit when market comes to this place and above. Simple. In trading, you gain some, you lose some, but you don't lose blindly, and you don't lose carelessly. If you have knowledge, when you lose small. When you gain big. Or sometimes the market will close at the break even. That's what knowledge of wave we give you. Okay. USD chef. I'll show you daily on this, then show you 4 hours. So now, what I want to show you on daily is that the market did not close above this place. So for that, the possibility that we will get a new low is here. That is 50-50. We may get a new low. Or if this is wave 1, it means wave 2 will be somewhere here. Then before we keep buying again. Had it been that we break this high when this was happening, then I'll tell you that certain certain this is wave one, but for now, there's no way I can say that this is wave one. Okay, so let's go to 4 hours. So on 4 hours, this market is somehow difficult to enter. I sold from here, I closed it. I was looking for a nice setup, but I didn't get a nice setup. I will likely sell again at the break of this channel. Then if market opens and the market give me a buy first, I'll be glad and enter from here and sell again. Remember, we can sell all the way down, just as I show you on daily, but not just, it's a 50-50. But for now, it is selling. Selling down to a new low is what I say that is 50-50. But now let's keep watching at least to this place. Either we get this or we get this and get this again. Euro USD. Euro USD. I didn't expect this second wave. In my analysis, I was looking at the markets to reverse somewhere here and go up. It went up and dropped again, but it's all part of the trading. Then it will now be a nice A, B, C. Now, something again, the market does enter our reversal zone and it have reversed. This can be a temporary reversal. It will do this and drop again before buying, or it will keep buying. So I cannot be certain of what will happen until the market opens on Monday or Sunday night. Then we can now check what is happening. For now, if you entered anywhere, know that here is stop loss. But this stop loss will likely hit. If market comes back to this place, here is where I placed my stop loss before, but seeing that this can happen, then I now shift it down because the market may try to do 100% correction before going up. Then if it keeps going up, then I move my stop loss to this place. If I enters the market, for now, no entry. I bought from here. I move it to break even around here. When it returned back, it hit my stop. Sorry, it closed on break even. Okay, so no big profits, no loss at all, small profits. Okay. Pounds USD. Pounds USD. If you're watching my video, I said that Pounds USD, I have a kind of complex pattern I don't like. For instance, I want to see something like this on Pounds USD. I want to see a move that will be similar to this move. Something like this from here. It didn't happen. It went up. It can still happen. We may get a very big move down, or it may happen from here. I don't know how, but I think it is necessary that it happens so that we get a nice ABC before buying again. Meanwhile, market doesn't know what to think or what to want or what to expect. The duty is to follow the market to know what it is doing. That's what we are doing. So watching pounds USD closely from here, this looks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if that is wave 5, then we get we can get A, B, C and continue buying. Then if this thing is wave A, then sorry, if this thing is an A, B, C, then it means that this is A, this is B, then we will get a very big drop. Depending on what is happening, I cannot go ahead of the market, but I can see the future from my charts and be able to know the 2 or 3 things that will likely happen. First thing is that we will get this and buy. Secondly is that we will get this. So whichever way it is selling now, that's all I can say about pounds USD. When you do USD, AUD also met what happened on USD, I think. So I bought around here for my basket top. It closed on break even. So now what I'm looking at is that we will likely have A, B, C to complete this W, X, Y before the buying starts. So whichever way the markets go, meanwhile, this can be wave 1 and this can be wave 2. In that case, we keep going up, 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 and this may not happen. But I don't suggest that you buy it and watch for it. Unless it keeps going up and it closes above this place, we cannot look for a better top. If not, this is what I'm expecting. I'm not like to sell from here. I like to wait for this to happen. Then I would like to buy. Okay. New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD is stronger than AUD USD. So on this one, if AUD USD will give us that move down, then we may get something like this before we buy, or else if we keep going up, I think this will happen. Okay, so remember we bought all the way from here. If you are not, if you're following us, you are missing a lot because we bought from here, we bought from here, and we bought from here again. So there are a lot of good setups I share free of charge to everybody who is on my Telegram channel. JP225. Last week, I was explaining that these charts, that this sharp move have a kind of making the chart complex. Okay, and I said if on the trade that the stop loss will be tight because I don't want to see it break this level. If it break this level, then it will be something else. But I expect it to break this little channel and go down. And that's what happened. So now what is next? The next is that I'm still expecting it to go lower. Either see when it goes lower, it's either buy from here and go up, or it will do something like this and go down again. And this is what I'm looking at for it to make a double correction. Remember, the pair have been, this is what I'm looking for, this big WXY. So my ultimate target is that 5,000, or this zone is where I target it to drop to. So even if I'm buying with little lot size, because when the market is have a target, it may abandon the target and keep going, or it may not abandon it. So when you see that the market have a target and you are trading against the target, you use lower lot to trade. For instance, what I expected here is A, B, C before this move, but it abandoned it here and keep going. Market can do that many times. Okay, so that's for JP225. Euro JPY. Euro JPY and other yen pays have been going up, 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 up. So for now, what do we, I think this, okay, let me show you daily. This is a daily chart we are seeing here. So daily charts, I'm expecting the market to give me a big ABC, a big ABC, which we see the price drop to 163, 162, or 160. But no setup yet to say that it will happen. Meanwhile, if you go down to 4 hours, you begin to see the signs that it will likely happen. For instance, if we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it can be with A, then we can get A, B, C, and they drop again. So this type of pattern can play. But for now, I'm looking for a buy. If I get price set up on 1 hour, I will take a buy because we can get this trade. That is if I will trade UJPY. I don't trade everything I show you, but I will show you so that pick your trades. in all this thing I'm showing you, I may end up trading 8 or 10 in the whole week. So I don't trade all, and I don't have more than 4 open positions. If I open a 51, I will close one because it will be over trading unless all the 4 or 5 is with little loss size. So protect your capital. Don't trade carelessly. Don't trade recklessly. Don't trade blindly. It's better you spend the money to learn than lose that money in trading. USJPY, USJPY, I entered this trade on 1 hour time frame trade setup. So my stop loss is here. I don't think it's gonna go and close it. It can happen, but I don't care because I do my money management very, very okay. So losing doesn't fear me because I don't overtrade and I don't enter carelessly. So this is what I'm looking at. This WXY. Whether it will happen or not, I don't know, but I expect it to happen. That's how market moves. So if you want to trade it, you better wait for it to close below this level or this channel before you sell. Okay, unless you know you can find sell setup on 1 hour at this zone, then that means you have gotten some experience. Meanwhile, those things is what we teach you so that you know you enter at a good price. You cannot compare the profits of somebody who entered here with somebody who entered here. The difference is that the person that entered here has experience to dictate how to enter. The person who don't have experience, we wait for it to close below here. So, and we teach you how to enter the market here if you join us. Pound JPY, it is also dropping, but the problem is it closed above this swing high. So it's now called for caution. It's now called for caution. Meanwhile, it is selling, but the selling, I don't know how deep it will go. We do something like this before buying again. I don't know. So, but now it is selling, and the selling is corrective. So what we're gonna do if you want to sell it is watch for it to give us correction. Then you can now sell. Stop loss will be here. Somewhere here, we will take profit. Okay. So let us see gold. Gold, news affected gold and US pays these days. Meanwhile, I would like to sell gold again. If I get this ABC, I'll be glad and sell it around here. I don't have much to explain on gold. Gold is not buying for now. Gold is on uptrend. Yes, but now I'm looking for ABC. I'm looking for gold to sell before buying again. Okay, so silver, the same thing. I'm looking for silver to silver. Silver pattern is somewhat complex. What do I mean is that there is a truncation of wave 5. Okay, and when that happens, you need to be careful because the market can go deeper. So for now, this is wave A, this is wave B. The wave C, maybe 1, 2, we may get 3, 4, 5, I don't know. So on silver, I would advise you to wait. Unless you can go down to 15 minutes, I'll be trading with 15 minutes. If not, you wait and let the pattern be clear before we trade. Meanwhile, it have touched our reversal zone. So it may keep going up and going up. So, but as I say always, it's better you miss the trade than lose the trade. If you miss the trade, you have your money to trade another. But if you lose the trade, you have lost the money. And the losing carelessly doesn't help anybody. For instance, if I have watched this and see that, okay, it's now okay to buy, then if I buy and lose it, I won't regret. But now that I have seen that it's still not, that I haven't seen a good reason to buy, then I went up and then I went on to buy. If I lose, I will think that I made myself up. So that's what I'm trying to say. Platinum. Platinum will be a good trade in time to come. So the problem now is the entry. Where do I enter? Will be the question you're asking yourself now. Platinum have come to a reversal zone. I go to really reversed. Meanwhile, I think it's not a bad idea if you buy it now, as long as your stop loss will be here. I don't think it's a bad idea, depending on your risk appetite. I can see it may still drop once more before buying, because gold and silver is pointing downwards, at least for some, maybe for some time. Okay, so or you may leave it and allow it to break this zone before looking for buy setup. That's why you can see a place buy here. Okay. Oil. I sold oil right inside here. I expected oil to make a sharp drop. But it's not doing it. I'll keep watching. I won't close the manual. If it kills my stop loss, no problem. Trading it, you can lose, you can gain. Though I think it will still drop. Below this place, it can still drop. As long as it haven't closed above this place, oil is a sell market to me. Remember, for weeks, I've been saying that oil, that I expect oil to go below 70. It can still happen. I haven't changed that idea that oil will go below 70. The idea is in my head. Let me show you why I conceived the idea. The reason is that I see this as A, B, C. So if that is the case, it means oil will drop to this zone, which is below 70, as I said before. Okay, so what again do we have? US100. They are still buying. This place, I wanted to see something like this before I buy. It didn't happen. Just give us a little correction and keep going. So you mustn't trade everything. You can ignore some. If you really enter this place, it will be difficult to enter because it hasn't given us a good opportunity to enter. SP500, the same situation. Though this one is good because this one, let me show you. Last week or last 2 weeks, I pointed out that here is our buying zone. So if you've been following me, you must have bought it here. You see going up. I don't have to begin to gauge where it will be correct. No, not a good practice. US30. US30 is the only meaningful market I see that we provide an opportunity to buy in the earliest future on this. What else also? I say it because this seems to be making an ABC. It seems to be making an ABC. So, but remember, not a must that it will happen. Remember, this place, I expect this thing to be an A, B, C, to drop before buying. It's rather keep going. So this A, B, C, I'm expecting. may like to do what happened here, but I think it won't do it. So I expect this to happen. In that case, selling has more risk than buying. If you must sell with a little lot size, but when it drops to this place, you can buy with your normal lot size. That's all I can say on that. DAX have reached our reversal zone. So now the question is, what will happen if we get something like this type of move, and drop again, or will it keep going up from here? If others are going to correct, then expect A, B, C, and a drop again on that. That's all I have on that. Dow is like US30. Yeah, that's the only thing that I think we give us an opportunity to buy at a good price. So if this happens, I will be glad to buy from here. Just as US30. And that's where we are bringing to the end of this video. I'll make another video for cryptos for those who watch only cryptos. So the next will be cryptos. I'll try to make another video for cryptos. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. Okay, then this is a bonus. I don't cover this, but I expect to give me an ABC, something like this, 102, 101 zone before buying again. Okay, thank you for watching, and God bless you.